Looking for an AI tool that can help you research, organize information, and boost productivity? In this video, we are reviewing Arena AI to see what it offers, its key features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Arena AI? Arena AI is an AI powered productivity platform designed to help users gather information, analyze documents, generate content, and streamline everyday tasks. It's aimed at professionals, students, researchers, and teams that want to save time by using AI for research and knowledge management. Rather than switching between multiple tools, Arena AI brings AI assistance into one workspace. Key features. Here are its standout features. AI Research Assistant quickly summarizes articles, PDFs, and web content. Document analysis extracts important insights from long documents. Content generation helps create emails, reports, summaries, and other written content. Knowledge organization stores and organizes information so it's easy to search later. Collaboration tools allows teams to work together on shared projects and AI generated content. Time saving automation reduces repetitive research and writing tasks. Pricing Arena AI usually offers a free plan or free trial with limited features, while premium plans unlock higher AI usage limits, advanced collaboration tools, and additional productivity features. Pricing may change over time, so it's best to check the official website for the latest plans. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Easy to use interface, speeds up research and document analysis, helpful AI writing assistant, great for individuals and teams, saves time on repetitive tasks. Cons. Advanced features require a paid subscription. AI generated content should still be fact checked. Some collaboration features may only be available on higher tier plans. Final verdict. So is Arena AI the best AI productivity tool in 2026? If you need an AI assistant for research, writing, and organizing information, Arena AI is definitely worth considering. It combines several productivity features into one platform and can significantly reduce the time spent on everyday tasks. However, if you are looking for highly specialized AI tools for coding, design, or video creation, you may find better alternatives dedicated to those specific tasks. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.